I'm not supporting the idea to torture animal for everyone to see. Good morning everyone, I am currently in Parayangan with hello. This is Lucy. Lucy is local from Bukit Tinggi. We are currently in a location that held a weekly event, which is one of the very famous events happened in West Sumatra, known as Pacu Jawi, or cow racing basically. This is my first time. This is her first time, so we don't know what's going to happen. You see that there are plenty of other stuff going on, such as the restaurant or knickknacks, everything like that for the locals to actually hang out.
Halo.
Halo Pak gitu dong.
Halo.
They are changing location on monthly basis, and unlike horse racing, this cow racing is not going to compete to each other, so there will be only 2 cows at a time and having 1 jockey. Saya lagi menjelaskan tuh Pacu Jawi apa, tapi pakai bahasa Inggris, jadi orang-orang banyak yang kesini gitu.
Biar umum tahu kan?
Iya betul. Ayo kesini gitu Pak.
Ayo kesini. Ayo rame-rame.
Today will be the closing of the activity and the event for the month, and they will have a local tradition before actually starting the cow racing.
What it takes to find themselves, to save a friend, discover true love in the end.
Iya, kenapa harus pakai baju Pak?
Karena penghabisan. Kampung-kampung lain yang 4 kecamatan itu datang semua tuh.
Nah, totalnya ada berapa sapi Pak?
Nggak bisa dihitung.
There are so many cows coming still, and then we are still waiting for all of the people get together joining the event. We got here too early. It's been 2 hours since we arrived, and it hasn't started yet. It's not actually every week that they are going to have plenty of colorful dishes that people are bringing together to eat together, because this is the closing of the event. Hello, gitu. So these are local guides. They're actually guiding the Chinese tourists. Ngomong apa? They're asked to be included in the video, and then they got speechless. In all honesty, I was expecting something a little bit more structured. You can see the process from the beginning till the end. What is actually happening is all of these cows are going to take turns. It's not actually a competition, it's just part of the celebration that they're doing to celebrate to celebrate the end of harvesting time. And it's quite sad to see because lots of cows are not actually following the rules as we speak. Probably hurting them, and especially the cow's back. So I feel pity and not really quite like the idea because it's like confronting the idea of this is part of the tradition, right? First, at the same time, it is performing and torturing the animals. We are stopping for coconut. Speaking of the event and festival, it was actually quite interesting because turns out it becomes a marketplace for cows. For anyone who are interested in buying cows, considering that the cows who are participating in the event must be strong and actually fit, that will determine in terms of prices.
Keep on talking to me, don't you leave me by myself. There's something in the way you're moving, you can make me lose my breath. In a room of flashing lights, you pull me closer as we dance. It's you and midnight. Let's leave now and get undressed.
We have just arrived to the Paguruyung Palace. As you can see behind me, this is actually the former royal palace for Paguruyung Kingdom. As you can see, the building is actually built based on Minangkabau traditional architectural, where the roof is basically pointed up above, resembling the buffalo horn. Paguruyung Kingdom is no longer exists, but all of the successors are scattered around the West Sumatra area and lives as part of the society. This palace has been demolished 3 times basically. First due to the war, second due to fire, the third also due to fire. So behind me is actually Anjung Parangingan, which serve as a room for unmarried princes with plenty of colorful designs and fabrics. So on this 3rd floor, which is a storage room, they store king's property such as crowns and everything like that that is very valuable to the kingdom. Okay, speaking from experiences, a lot of the times touristy places requires entrance fee do not actually have a lot of things other than for you to actually take lots of photos. I would personally suggest skip seeing things but try to find experiences by talking to locals, visiting places, but then also find stories and then try to connect to the locals, finding information, you know, just talk. It doesn't have to be always about visiting places. Yeah, that's just my 2 cents of opinion. And we are going to eat pretty much probably either fried rice or probably just chicken noodle, boring stuff, but I'll say goodbye right now. Thank you so much for watching and I hope that you enjoyed today's episode. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you also check out my other social media. I'll see you again next time. Bye! Dadah gitu dong. Dadah! Dadah! I'll just show you what's going is it to be quite bad that society. Lord, I really need a break. So behind me is called Anjung Parangyan. And